Hey y'all, I just wanted to go through and make sure everybody was on the same page on how to create that attendance warm-up. I think it's important that students are able to log on and do a quick check-in each day so that you can get a timestamp of when they have accessed your Teams account. Here is just a quick way that I do it. So I went in and I clicked to create an assignment. Here's that new assignment, attendance check-in, Friday, March 27th. Instructions are going to be click onto the attendance check-in Word document and answer the daily question. So I'm going to add a document for them, or else they will not be able to answer the question. And I'm going to label it the same thing, attendance check-in, Friday, 3/27. So this document says that students edit their own copy, which I think is pretty cool. What I need them to edit is their Friday daily check-in. I'm currently just using random questions to be their attendance check-in. I'm not sure if I want this attendance to be content-based or not just yet, but for now, it's just fun check-ins. Let's see. I have a few that I have copied, and I'm just going to copy and paste like this one. So copy, put it into Teams. All right, happy Friday. They've read this over and over again, so I'm going to make it smaller. This week daily check-in is going to be simple. That was Tuesdays, taking that out. Answer the following question. Have you completed and sent me a picture of your spring break packet to be graded? Easy peasy, mac and cheesy. So students will come in and just answer here. And then a little reminder about my office hours. So I'm going to click close. All right, so here's a few of the things that I have found helpful. I'm not going to require this to be any points because it's not grade related or content based. It's just for attendance. I do want all students to answer it in my pre-algebra class, but if I click this edit button, assignment will post immediately with late turns ins allowed. I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to hit edit, and I'm going to schedule this for Friday. It is currently Sunday night. I don't want them to have access to it just yet, so I'm going to schedule it for Friday, March 27th. As soon as March 27th happens at 12 a.m., and then it's going to be due that same day at 11:59 p.m. I also want to click the close date to be Friday 27th at 11:59 p.m. because it now says late turn-ins are not allowed, meaning they will only have an opportunity from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. to answer this question and get marked present for attendance on that day. Now all I have to do is press schedule, and it's all there. Notice these assigned assignments right here, these 5 assigned attendance ones are not for point value. If I were to create an assignment for point value, if and when they will pop up there. I have had to just save the assignment and not submit it, and it showed up under drafts, which I think was pretty cool, because then I could just go back and edit it and make it live when needed to be. So, yep, I'm ready to rock and roll. I hope this was helpful. Thanks. Bye.